Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Crazy Arms on guitar. We will begin by learning the three core chords, a major, D major, and E major. These are foundational for countless country and rockabilly tunes. Focus on clear finger placement for each chord shape. Then, we will introduce a simple, consistent strumming pattern. Practice transitioning between these three chords slowly at first, ensuring each change is clean and on time. This solid foundation is key to mastering the song. Now let's dive into the strumming pattern. For Crazy Arms, a simple down-down-up-up-down-up pattern works wonderfully. The song is typically in a 2/4 time signature, giving it that classic country feel. Try to keep your strumming hand moving consistently, even when changing chords. Use a metronome to help maintain a steady tempo, perhaps starting at around 100 beats per minute. Consistency in your rhythm is crucial for the song's authentic sound. Achieving smooth chord transitions is vital for a polished sound. Focus on anticipating the next chord and moving your fingers efficiently. Try to change chords exactly on the beat, avoiding any pauses or hesitations. Once you are comfortable, experiment with dynamics. You might strum a little softer during the verses and a bit harder on the choruses to add expression. Listening to the original recording will help you internalize the timing and feel of the song. You've learned the chords, the strumming, and how to transition smoothly. Now it's time to put it all together and play the full song. Start slowly, focusing on accuracy over speed. As you become more confident, gradually increase your tempo. Remember to keep your rhythm steady and your chords ringing out clearly. With consistent practice, you'll be playing Crazy Arms with confidence and enjoyment. Have fun with this timeless country classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.